Chapter 1, Waiting for the Perfect Day. Harper always wanted to learn English. He dreamed of speaking English well. He wanted to read books in English. He wanted to watch movies without subtitles. He wanted to talk to people from other countries. But Harper never started. He always waited for the perfect day. "I'll start tomorrow," he said to himself. "Tomorrow will be better. I have more time." Some days he was very busy. "I'm too busy today," he told himself. "I have work, I have school, I have too many things to do." Other days he felt tired. "I'll start when I have energy," he thought. "I will start when I am ready." Days passed. Nothing happened. Weeks passed. Still Harper did not start. Months passed. He kept waiting. He bought books, he downloaded apps. He even wrote plans. But he never opened the books. He never used the apps. Every day he said, "Not today, I will start later." Every day he waited for a perfect day. But the perfect day never came. Harper looked at people around him. Some people were learning English. Some people were speaking English with confidence. They started on ordinary days. They did not wait for a perfect day. Harper felt frustrated. He wanted to be like them, but he could not start. He kept thinking, "Tomorrow will be better. I will start tomorrow." And so Harper stayed the same. His English did not improve. He kept waiting. He kept dreaming. But nothing changed. Chapter 2, The Sign That Changed Everything. One day, Harper was walking on the street. He felt sad. He thought about all the days he wasted. He had not started learning English yet. Then he saw a small sign on a wall. It was bright and simple. It said, "One day or day one, you decide." Harper stopped. He read the words again. Then he read them one more time. The words were short, but they felt very strong. They stayed in his mind. Harper thought about his life. He realized he always waited. He waited for the perfect day. He waited for more time. He waited for energy. Now the sign made him think clearly. He understood something important. The perfect day does not exist. There is no day when everything will be ready. He smiled a little. The sign gave him hope. It said one thing very clearly. You can choose today. You can make today your first day. Harper felt a little scared. He had never started before. He thought about all the days he lost. But he also felt excited. He could start now. He could make today his day one. The sign changed Harper's mind. It gave him courage. It showed him the truth. Waiting will not help. Only starting can help. Harper looked at the sign one last time. Then he walked home slowly. He thought tomorrow is not important. Today can be my day one. That night, Harper could not sleep well. He kept thinking about the sign. It stayed in his mind. It changed his heart. He knew he had to start learning English right now. Chapter 3, Making Day One Today. That night, Harper sat on his bed and thought. He thought about all the time he had lost. He thought about the sign he saw today. The words kept running in his mind. One day or day one, you decide. Harper took a deep breath. He made a decision. He would start learning English today. Not tomorrow, not next week. Today. He promised himself clearly. I will practice every day, no excuses. He knew it would be hard. The first step is always the hardest. But he also
Harper
knew it was
prepared
the
a
most
small
important.
plan.
He decided to spend a few minutes every day on English. He would read simple sentences. He would listen to short videos. He would try to speak a few words aloud. He looked at his books and apps. They had been waiting for months. Now he opened them. He wrote his first sentence in English. It was simple, "I am Harper." He said it out loud. It felt strange but good. Harper smiled. He felt proud of himself. He had taken the first step. He realized that starting is more important than being perfect. That night he thought, from today, every day is day one. Even if I make mistakes, I will learn. Even if it is small, I will move forward. He went to sleep with hope. He knew tomorrow he would practice again. And the day after, he had started. SMKS, and starting today was the most powerful thing he could do. Chapter 4, Small Steps Every Day. Harper knew learning English was not easy. He knew he could not do everything at once. So he started small. Every day, he spent just 10 minutes practicing English. Sometimes he read short sentences. Sometimes he wrote a few words in a notebook. Sometimes he watched short English videos online. It was not much, but it was enough to start. Harper learned something new. He learned phrases instead of single words. For example, he learned to say, "How are you?" Not just how or you. He practiced the full sentence. It helped him speak more naturally. He also spoke out loud. Even when no one was around, he talked to himself. He repeated words again and again. It felt strange at first. Sometimes he laughed at himself. But he kept going. Harper saw little progress every day. He could say one sentence better than yesterday. He could understand a short video more clearly. He could write a simple paragraph without help. Slowly, Harper's confidence grew. He realized small steps add up. Even 10 minutes a day can make a difference. He stopped worrying about being perfect. He only focused on practicing every day. Harper learned an important lesson. Small steps every day are better than waiting for a perfect day. By the end of the week, Harper felt proud. He could say more words than last week. He could understand more than before. He could even make small sentences on his own. And so Harper kept going. Small steps every day. Day by day, step by step. His English was slowly improving. Chapter 5, Thinking in English. After practicing every day, Harper tried something new. He decided to start thinking in English. Not just speaking or writing. Thinking. At first, it was hard. He had to describe simple things in English. When he saw a tree, he thought, "The tree is green." When he saw a car, he thought, "The car is fast." He said these sentences in his mind and sometimes out loud. Harper also talked to himself. He asked questions and answered in English. Where is my book? It is on the table. Is it raining outside? Yes, it is raining. He remembered words better by using them. Instead of just reading a word, he used it in a sentence. He repeated sentences many times. Slowly, the words became easier to remember. Sometimes, Harper made mistakes in his thoughts. He said the wrong word or used the wrong tense. He felt frustrated, but he did not give up. He kept practicing every day. After a few weeks, Harper noticed a change. His mind started to think in English automatically. He did not need to translate from his first language. He could describe simple things quickly in English. Harper felt proud. He understood that thinking in English was very powerful. It helped him speak faster. It helped him understand better. It helped him learn more words naturally. Harper smiled and thought, if I keep practicing, I can speak English well one day. He knew it would take time, but he also knew he was moving in the right direction. Day by day, his mind was changing. Step by step, he was learning English. Chapter 6, Seeing Progress. Harper practiced every day. He did not miss a single day. After 3 months, he noticed something exciting. He felt more confident. He could speak a few sentences with strangers. He could introduce himself and ask simple questions. He made fewer mistakes than before. Even when he made mistakes, he corrected himself quickly. Harper felt proud of this small success. He knew he was improving. His hard work was starting to show. After 6 months, Harper tried something new. He watched English movies without subtitles. At first, he understood only a little, but slowly he could follow most of the story. He could understand the dialogues, the jokes, and the main ideas. It felt amazing. He realized that all his practice had worked. 10 minutes a day, small steps. And thinking in English, it all helped. Harper smiled when he realized how far he had come. He also noticed that speaking was easier. Writing sentences was easier too. Reading short stories was no longer difficult. Even listening to songs in English became fun. Harper felt proud of himself. He understood that progress is slow, but it is real. Every little step matters. Every small practice counts. He thought about the first day when he kept waiting. He remembered how scared he was to start. Now he felt happy he had taken the first step. He had turned one day into day one. Harper knew learning English was still a journey. But now he believed in himself. He had learned an important lesson. Small steps, daily practice, and patience bring real progress. Harper smiled and whispered, I am learning. I am growing. I can do this. Chapter 7, New Opportunities. 1 year had passed since Harper started learning English. He practiced every day. He never gave up, even when it was hard. Now something amazing happened. Harper got a new job. It was a job that needed English. At first he felt nervous, but he remembered all his practice. He remembered the first step he had taken. On his first day, Harper spoke with his colleagues. He could introduce himself easily. He could answer simple questions. He could ask for help politely. It felt good to communicate without fear. Harper could understand instructions clearly. He could follow what his boss said. He could complete tasks without mistakes. He did not need anyone to translate for him. Writing was easier now, too. He could write emails clearly and politely. He could write short reports without help. He felt proud that he could do it all by himself. Harper's life had changed completely. He was no longer the boy who waited for the perfect day. He had become confident and independent. English had opened new doors for him. He realized that taking the first step was the most important thing. Everything else came after that. Hard work, small steps, and daily practice made his dream come true. Harper smiled as he thought about his journey. From zero to speaking English well. From waiting to starting. From fear to confidence. He knew one thing for sure. If he could change his life, anyone could. All it took was day one. And Harper was ready for more opportunities in the future. Chapter 8, Your Day One. Harper's life had changed completely. He was confident. He could speak English well. He could read, write, listen, and understand. He had a job he liked. He had new friends. All of this happened because Harper took the hardest step, the first step. He stopped waiting for the perfect day. He decided to start even when it was small. He made today his day one. Harper knew something important. You don't need a perfect day to start. You don't need a lot of time. You don't need to be ready. All you need is one small step. That step is day one. He remembered how he practiced every day. Just 10 minutes at first, then 15. Then more and more. He learned little by little. Every day he improved by just 1%. It was small, but it added up. Harper smiled as he thought about the first day he started. He remembered how scared he was, how unsure he felt, and now he looked back and felt proud. He could see how far he had come. Harper wanted to tell everyone the same lesson. Start today, even if it is small, even if it is hard. Even if you make mistakes. Just take day one. He knew that anyone could change their life. Anyone could learn English. Anyone could grow step by step. And Harper whispered to himself with hope. Today is day one. Tomorrow I will practice. The day after tomorrow I will practice. And one day I will be amazed at what I have achieved. Your journey can start today too. Just take day one.